From your point of view, being a naturopath, and many that we've spoken to say basically, is we want to get to the root cause of the issue. When you look at a lot of conventional cancer treatments, with surgery or chemotherapy, it's removing those cancer cells. Are the cancer cells the root cause of the problem, or is there something that is creating that deeper down?
Yeah, I think that this goes back to your original question of what causes cancer, and I don't know the answer to that. And I think that, so as a naturopathic doctor, I do my best to address what I can with my therapies. So some of my therapies are oriented at the cancer cell itself and to try to change certain behavioral characteristics of the cancer cell to make it less aggressive and less able to survive. Many of my therapies are also directed at the environment around the cancer cell to change that to, as I say, to make the body the least hospitable to cancer as possible. So it's harder for that cancer to grow or regrow. And so for me, that's how I get to the cause, is to try to, I can't get somebody's risk down to zero, but I can, I believe, lower their risk significantly in most cases. And so that's really my goal, is to keep lowering the risk as low as we can through changing the environment and optimizing cellular behavior. And, in that way, I do think that's part of the cause. Having said all that, I would like to also add that I do think that there is an element of sort of spiritual or mind-body awareness that's also very important from a causal perspective, and that any disease is really an opportunity to not with any blame, not with any sense of reproach, but to sort of think, well, how did I get here, and what has made me this way in my life, and to kind of reflect on our own life experience and to look into ourselves on a very deep level and see where injuries might lay in all planes, energetically and spiritually and emotionally, and to kind of heal through those as well. And I think that's part of the kind of totality of directing our efforts to the cause.